Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online by promoting other people's or companies' products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. Let's move in the video. Here are some steps to get started with affiliate marketing. Step 1. Choose a niche. Start by creating a list of topics that interest you or that you are knowledgeable about. This may want to consist of pursuits, regions of knowledge, or things you're obsessed with. Once you have a list of interests, start learning capacity niches within the areas. Look for niches with a large enough audience and are still saturated with competitors. While it's essential to pick out a gap you're passionate about, it's also vital to remember whether or not it is profitable. Look for niches with products or services people are willing to pay for. It's crucial to assess the competition within your preferred area of interest. Look for niches that still need to be saturated with competition, but still have a huge sufficient target market to be profitable. Once you've selected a niche, check out exceptional merchandise, services, or content to peer what resonates with your audience. Refine your technique over time based on what works and what doesn't. Step 2. Find affiliate program. You may need to locate affiliate programs that offer products or services related to your preferred area of interest. Many associate networks and Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale provide a huge range of products to sell. Many corporations have affiliate packages, so test with character companies for your area of interest to see if they have an affiliate program you may be a part of. Affiliate networks act as intermediaries among affiliate entrepreneurs and traders, making locating multiple associate packages in a single region clean. Some famous affiliate networks encompass Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, and RateCupid Marketing. Check social media systems like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to discover Ability Affiliate application. You can look for businesses in your niche and see if they have an affiliate application, or take a look at if different affiliate marketers are selling products to your area of interest. Attend enterprise occasions with exchange indicates or meetings on your niche to connect to capacity traders and study new associate programs. Step 3. Select products to promote. Once you have discovered an affiliate software, you'll need to pick out products that you agree with or may be of interest to your target market. It's important only to promote merchandise that you truly consider and that aligns together with your values. Understanding your target market and their needs are prime to selecting the proper merchandise to promote. Consider what your target audience is looking for and what problems they want solutions for. Look for products that might be famous within your area of interest and have a tested track record of success. To discover popular merchandise, you can use equipment like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and social media analytics. Compare fees for unique merchandise to determine which ones provide the highest earnings capacity. Remember that excessive commission prices don't necessarily imply a product is a first-class fit for your target audience. Before selling a product, look at it yourself to see if it is amazing and healthy for your target audience. If you have got an excellent experience with a product, it's much more likely that your target audience will as properly. Promoting products with excessive first rate and positive opinions can help build trust with your target market and increase the likelihood of a sale. Analyze merchandise and rate statements to ensure they meet high-quality requirements. Step 4. Create content. To promote your affiliate merchandise, you'll want to create content along with blog posts, social media posts, videos, or emails. Your content should offer price in your audience while additionally incorporating your affiliate links. Determine which content material layout is fine and perfect for your target market and your niche. This should encompass weblog posts, motion pictures, podcasts, social media posts, or email newsletters. Create a content material strategy that aligns with your general business desires and the desires of your target audience. Plan out topics and issues that might be relevant to your area of interest and will resonate with your target audience. Incorporate search engine optimization strategies into your content to enhance your search engine ratings and appeal to extra visitors for your internet site. This can include the usage of relevant keywords, optimizing your headlines and meta descriptions, and linking to legit sources. Make certain your content material is informative, engaging, and actionable. Include applicable associate links for your content to force income and earn commissions. Be sure to reveal which are the usage of associate hyperlinks to comply with FTC tips. Step 5. Promote your content. You will need to promote your content to your audience through diverse channels, social media, electronic mail advertising, or paid advertising and marketing. The greater folks who see your content, the more likely you are to make income and earn commissions. Share your content on social media platforms to boost visibility and drive traffic to your website. Be positive to use relevant hashtags and tag any appropriate corporations or people. Send your content to your email list to promote it immediately for your target market. Be certain to include a clear name to motion and any relevant affiliate links. Collaborate with other bloggers, influencers, or companies for your area of interest to pass promote each different content material. This can assist in amplifying your attain and attracting new audiences. Consider using paid advertising platforms like Facebook or Google Ads to promote your content to a larger target market. Optimize your content material for search engines like Google by using applicable keywords, meta descriptions, and headlines. This can help your content rank better in search engine effects and appeal to extra organic visitors. Be sure to encompass a link again for your web page and any relevant affiliate hyperlinks. There are several ways you can potentially use ChatGPT to make money indirectly. Step 6. Create content with ChatGPT. If you're a content material writer, you could probably create content that functions ChatGPT as a tool or aid. For example, you could create a video or blog submission to ask ChatGPT questions about a specific topic and proportion the answers with your target market. This ought to doubtlessly entice greater visitors and subscribers to your content. Choose a subject for which you want to create content material approximately. Ask ChatGPT questions associated with your chosen topic. ChatGPT will provide you with designated answers that you may use as the premise of your content. Organize the records supplied through ChatGPT into a logical structure. This should include creating a definition, bullet points, or a thoughts map. Use the information provided via ChatGPT to put in writing your content material. Make certain the content is nicely organized, informative, and attractive. Edit your content material to ensure it's free from mistakes and flows properly. Refine your content to ensure it meets your goals and affords a fee on your audience. Consider including visuals, which include pics, videos, or infographics for your content material to make it more engaging and visually appealing. Once you have created your content, submit it for your website or social media structures. Promote your content through email advertising and marketing, social media, or other channels to boost visibility and appeal to extra site visitors. Step 7. Develop ChatGPT-powered products. Developing ChatGPT-powered merchandise involves leveraging ChatGPT's superior herbal language processing capabilities to create clever and customized products. Identify the trouble you want to remedy along with your ChatGPT-powered product. Determine how ChatGPT can help resolve the problem by presenting personalized and wise responses. Build an interface that permits customers to interact with ChatGPT. This should encompass a chatbot, voice interface, or another conversational interface. Train ChatGPT on your domain or topic by supplying applicable data and examples. This will help ChatGPT provide extra accurate and personalized responses to customers. Test your ChatGPT-powered product with a group of customers to become aware of any problems or regions for development. Refine the product based on consumer remarks until you achieve the desired results. Some examples of ChatGPT-powered products include chatbots that provide personalized customer support, voice assistants that help with daily tasks, and intelligent search engines that offer personalized recommendations. Developing ChatGPT-powered products requires a deep understanding of ChatGPT's capabilities and how they can be leveraged to solve specific problems. By following these steps, you can create intelligent and personalized products that provide value to your users. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. If you want to know more about how to make money with ChatGPT, check out that video right here, and we'll see you there.